Hey gang, I just wanted to give you a proper tutorial of how to find like the new string theory guitar app and the lessons for the string theory guitar club. So easiest way is hit culturetoronto.com, and basically anywhere that you see a blue star like this little guy right here, that's going to take you right to our content. So if I just click this straight away, the app is going to open up, and when I click one of these big four buttons here, you might be prompted to log in. Just log in as usual, and then I'll just show you around these four buttons. Okay, so guitar tuner. Guitar tuner is basically like just a guitar tuner that I came up with, but it does tuning in these two tunings right now. So standard and Firefly's tuning. If you hit 2 now, it'll just go through the 6 strings and from 6 to 1 and tune you up. When you're done that, go back. All right. If you have something to say, go to the member chat. This is our chat. It's pretty easy to create a new post. You just pop it here and you will be good to go. So to head back, I just click the blue star or this button up here. Now the part you're probably most interested in is the lessons. Okay, so here is where you can find lessons, files, and if you click a lesson, you're going to get the videos section pop up. So if I click String Theory B Song 1 to be named, I see these, and here's like an improv in G for 1 hour. You click that. Instead of getting you guys to, download this is like, these buttons control the video player. So you'll see here and put it into sound slice and everything and figure that out. You can improv, watch, and here's a full screen button, and down here you can just scrub to where you want to go in the video. Even when it's small, you can still scrub to where you want to go in the video using this button here. Okay, and the last thing that I'm working on is this like new tab format, which I think could be really helpful. So here is our tabs, that slap area. And the only tab in there right now is Fireflies, but it is Fireflies in full. The way that you could use this, you set your tempo, so like 60 beats per minute, right? If you're not sure how the song sounds, just hit hear the song. Okay, you can hit reset to go back to the beginning. You can click and drag this thing to go where you want to go. But yeah, this metronome mode is really interesting. You hit it, it'll count you in. And then you just play along with the metronome. And it is actually listening to your guitar. And right now it's listening to my voice actually. Boom, 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 ba. So you can really play around with your voice or your guitar with this. And yeah, it's just like a solid metronome that works on your browser, on your phone, works everywhere, and it's cool. The thing that I'm working on that is really experimental still is this start game thing. If you hit this, it goes into a game mode that only advances the notes when you play them right. Anyway, this is a work in progress, but it's something that I'm hoping is going to be awesome. Of course, down here, email Bob, email Sharifu. And if you have any other questions, just let me know, guys. Take care, and wishing you great guitar.